Okay, so I've had a few flights with it now. First impressions. Flies very nicely. Holds the line very well. Tracks very nicely. FPV looks great. I've made a couple of minor alterations, and like I said, this was a pre-production model. I've changed the winglets slightly. I've moved them back. There was a little bit too much protruding at the front, and I did actually pull one off landing in the crop here. You know, on landing it's too much to get leverage, so I've moved it back a little, and I've just added a couple of little self-tapping screws there, and I just landed that pretty hard, and it's holding up. Obviously the finish, beautiful as it looks, is going to take some little knocks and chips. I dropped something on it there and chipped it, and I think I just did that one with a failed launch, so a little bit of tape would have been a good idea on that. I put a little bit of tape on the underside, and she's had, I think, 4, possibly 5 bad launches. Failed to get it up in the air, down to my technique more than the wing, really. I think with a 7-inch prop on 4S, there's a tendency to torque roll, and I was a little bit slow catching it. But I seem to have mastered the art. More power, more vertical kind of throw, and then it goes off like a rocket, to be honest. So first impressions, I think it's, I like it. I think it's got potential, really. You know, it's a unique looking wing for sure, and I've given it a fair little beating already, and it seems to be taking it well. Anyway, I'll put up the FPV footage, and hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. God damn it.
it.